Okay. Queen Amy Gadala was planning for royal guests from planet Snapsis. She told the seamstress to sew a long red carpet to welcome the guest. The seamstress sewed 1/3 of the carpet each day for 2 days. If they sewed the same amount on both days, how much of the carpet had they made by the end of the second day? Okay, well, the seamstress sewed 1/3 of the carpet each day for 2 days. So what you're going to do here is we're going to be breaking up this carpet and kind of representing how much was sewn each day for the 2 days. And then if they've sewn the same amount on both days, how much carpet had they made by the end of the second day? Well, I know that on day 1, she sewed 1/3. So this is 1/3, and this could be day 1. Okay? The second day, she also sewed 1/3 because 1/3 for each day for 2 days. So this would represent day 3. And we don't know that. We don't know that one. So I want to know how much of the carpet they had made by the end of the second day. Well, here's our composition and decomposition. So I'm going to be composing this fraction. That's 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 1/3 and 1/3 equals 2/3. Because that right there is 2 of your 3 total pieces. And then your solution, you're going to write your solution using a complete sentence. The seamstress sewed 2/3 of the carpet by the end of the second day. Okay? So that's what this is going to look like. And then you guys are going to do something really similar right here. And this one is talking about banners. So you're going to break up your model, represent each unit fraction, and then you're going to compose your fraction, and you're going to give me a solution. It is important when you're giving me your solution that you're answering in a complete sentence. I know that this is something that Ms. Reagan has been working with you guys on. And just because this is your math class, we still have to be writing the complete sentences and using our capitalization and our punctuation. I'm going to be looking for that. All right.